In August 2021, the university committed to enact all Standing Strong Task Force recommendations, including changing our name to better align with our values. Now, as part of placemaking on campus to create a sense of belonging for everyone, we are changing campus signage to reflect the new name.
People don't often think about signage and how signs change and how they get replaced, but signage for this project is completely different from how we do signage on a regular day-to-day basis. Replacing all the signs for the university in one go is a completely different scale of effort. There's thousands of signs that have to be replaced in just a few months. And it has to be done in an orderly way. It has to be done in a way that doesn't interfere with people getting from A to B, and it has to be clear as well. It has to preserve our brand. It has to look good. So there's a high quality expectation as well. We've never done signage changes on this scale before. In this project, we're replacing 8,500 signs, just internal signs, thousands of other signs within departments, plus at least 100 other signs in the outside of the buildings. This is an essential chapter in the story of the renaming of the university, of course, and in transforming the attitude, an expression of the values of the university. And the fact that it's being done by students, first, second, third, and fourth year students, many of whom are in the GCM program and who are passionate about signage and the studies, but also who just care about our campus. And so the fact that they have a hands-on role, in addition to, of course, the role of all the trades and designers who are taking care of the big illuminated signs, just shows that we have, I feel like, a whole team effort underway. Our sign installers are working every day on campus. We expect that they're going to be finished by the summer of 2023.